What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Surprise, surprise, today I'm working on an American Standard or Trane system package unit on the roof, air conditioner with a gas furnace. And as I was up here, obviously I already fixed the draining issues that were going on. You can see them there. It was plugged up. Ended up redoing the trap and cleaning it out. That's not why we're here making this video. We're going to be installing a Rsar Kit. Okay, this is a 5-ton, and this is the one that Trane says is okay to use on their systems because apparently they don't carry OEM ones at the moment, or it's been a little while actually, but I checked with them and they said that these are the ones to go with. So first of all, how do you know that you need a hard start kit, right? Well, you do what's called an Inrush Test. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Right now the power is pulled out. So the way you do an Inrush Test is with your meter. You got to have one that has Inrush. Okay, so you're going to go, this is a high voltage system, so we're going to go to 600. We're going to put it on the compressor. We're going to click it to amps, and then we're going to press the Inrush button. Okay, so there it is, right? Then we put our power in, and you can manually just push the contactor in, honestly, for a brief second, and there it is, right? 158. Now you go to the plate and you look up your locked rotor amps, and you see there the locked rotor amps is 134. So any number above that, you are essentially using more power on startup than recommended by the manufacturer, and you are in danger of locking a rotor. So there it is. There's the Inrush Test. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and start or install the Rsar Kit. So this is what the kit comes with. A couple screws, your start capacitor, and your relay, and then this strap. That's pretty much everything that you need most of the time, but in this scenario we do need additional wiring, so I do have that up here on the roof. But you may or may not need it sometimes. Okay, this is one of the few units, actually let me rephrase that, on package units most of the time you are going to have to run power, or sorry, an extra wire, a longer wire, so extend one of these. Okay, and I'll show you which one. And of course it comes with instructions. As you can see, if you have a dual run capacitor, you go to your striped and then your red, and then if you just have a basic run capacitor, well, you just do your striped and your red. It's pretty simple. It tells you exactly how to do it, and then of course it says here the black on this is the one you have to extend, that goes all the way to T1 on the contactor. Okay, that's the one that needs to be extended. So let's go ahead and start installing it. Okay, so because we know that the start capacitor takes two lines that go to your run capacitor from your relay, I like to mount them close to it and just extend the black all the way to the contactor. Because if you do it the other way, you install it in this cabinet, well then you got to run two wires all the way to the dual run capacitor. So this is essentially a simpler and more efficient way to do it. So there's the self-tapper screws. You just find a place for them. Make sure you don't drill into something you're not supposed to drill into. But this does have to be facing up. Okay, I don't know if it's in the instructions or not, but I know that the way that relay is set up, you do want this screw at the top, not sideways, not upside down like that. Okay, if I can find the information I read a long time ago, I will put it somewhere in the description or something that shows exactly why you have to do that. So you just put that on, and then after that, this strap is meant to help you. Of course, I'm doing this with one hand as always. I really need to start using my GoPro, but that's kind of a hassle. So you end up, see, I'll put this right here. You end up just going around it like this. Hopefully you can see it. You tighten it down to your start capacitor here. And then essentially you just drill through that hole with your self-tapper. Okay, so there I ended up mounting it, right? Shot the screw through there, and then you can really orientate it any way you want, you know, that's not a big deal. Same thing with this one. Remember to tighten this, I'll tighten that down right now, but I need a 6-in-1 because the drill does not fit quite inside of there. And always gotta do this with one hand. Someday I'll learn. Someday I will learn. Anyways. Sweet. There it is. Okay, so then remember, you follow the wiring diagram. It tells you go to your red, it goes to your comment on your dual run capacitor. You can see that right there. And then your yellow goes to the Herm on your dual run capacitor. Or sorry, on your run capacitor. And then your black, well, it goes all the way back to T1 on the contactor. But I ended up, just because this is not going to reach, we'll just take that bad boy off. And I already, you know, cut my own wire and put my own leads on there and ran it through there, right through there, and you can see it goes all the way to T1 right there on the contactor. So we'll just plug that bad boy in like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the test all over again. You can see there it's 158. Let's go ahead and reset that. And now with the new kit in there, this should drop significantly. Sometimes it won't even pick it up. I had to drop it to 100 because I think now it's going to be under 100. Let's see. Yep. There you go, 76, literally in half, right? So pretty amazing. Take a quick picture to show the customer. But that's pretty much it, y'all. That's how you install a 521 compressor saver, is the official name of this product, on a unit. And it is obviously sized. It tells you when you buy the kit, you know, it's for a 4 or 5 ton or for a 3.5 or whatever, you know, 2 ton. It says it on there, so just get the right one. All right, and check with the manufacturer too, because just to make sure that they're okay with it. All right. Well, that's pretty much it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.